Hi, it's Monday, June 7th. You're joining me on the Soul Sister channel. My name is Kat. I'm here with your astrological forecast. Let's get started like we always do by becoming balanced and aligned and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the negativity leaving our bodies. It's being replaced by this beautiful white light. And what we want to do right now is actually visualize it. Use our creative imagination and see this white light made up of white light, love, and the will to good filling our entire bodies. And then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, low vibration, all negativity, right back to where it came from. Now, while we're in this space of this beautiful white light connected with our higher self, let's say our Gemini affirmation. I am connected with my higher self. Together we create the life I want. Let's say that together now and sit in this space of this beautiful white light for just 5 seconds. Let's say it. I am connected with my higher self. Together, we create the life I want. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, today we are working on so much fun, so much energy. I don't know if you got a chance to see the program yesterday. There is a lot going on. We have the old versus the new. And we have the old fighting the new. But here's the thing, guys. We have to move with the new energy or we're not going to survive. We can't keep hanging on to that old energy. It's not going to be supported anymore. So that's the first thing that's happening. The second thing that's happening is we have all these retrogrades. We got Mercury retrograde in Gemini. We have Saturn retrograde in Aquarius. And then we have Pluto retrograde in Capricorn. They are all, this energy is all assisting or forcing. I think force is a better word in this instance, especially when we're talking about Pluto, to look inside ourselves. Where have we not taken responsibility? What structures that we have in our life where the foundation is a little crumbly and we got it like propped up, but I'm going to tell you, Saturn will just kick that puppy down and you will have nothing, no foundation. And then Pluto retrograde is all about healing, transforming, renewing, releasing. But to do that, we have to claim our power. So Pluto retrograde is helping us reclaim our power. Aquarian energy is telling us power comes from the inside out. Power over that is used by people who want to manipulate and control us in whatever situation, that whether that be our partner, friends, family, our job, our coworker, our boss. There are those out there who, because of their fear, have to manipulate and control. Because we want to get along and we want to play nice and we don't want to cause any trouble, we just hand our power away. To where now we are exhausted, unhappy, unfulfilled. So we're being invited to take a look into our closet and see where we have given our power away and where we need to reclaim it. So we're going to be working on all of these issues from now until October, and no problem, because Pluto and Saturn and even Mercury, they will bring up those issues for us to look at. So it's not like we're going to be able to keep shoving them down. Having that said that, though, we are working on that all week. We're going to have the solar eclipse on Thursday, which is like somebody taking a huge spotlight in our closet of unresolved issues and showing the whole world our baggage. So, but for today, for Monday, the moon's in Taurus. Let's remember to take care of self. Through all this hard work, we got to take care of self. We got to be compassionate with self. And today we can be a little selfish and get ourselves, embrace the earthiness of that Taurian energy. You know, that earthiness, whether that is taking a walk on the beach, whether that's, I was going to say take a swim in the ocean, same kind of thing. Maybe we want to go to a botanical garden. Ooh, that's kind of a nice idea, right? Or go to a good restaurant tonight. Our palate is requesting some finer flavors tonight. Listen to some good music, hang out with friends and family, enjoy our physical pleasures with our partner. That's the kind of stuff that today is good for. We have plenty of work to do, guys. So today we want to take more time and be a little selfish today and pay attention to the physical self and making sure that we're pleasing ourselves, because we're going to need to have that strength to get us through the end of the week. Anyway, one more thing I wanted to mention today, we still have a little bit of this energy. It's going to be completely out tomorrow, but I want to bring it up. Mercury is still square Neptune, and that means there are those, that manipulate, control. Well, there are also folks out there, and I hope it's not us, who are deceiving, who are lying to get what they want. And they kind of feel that they're justified in doing it because the tone is the end justifies the mean. So it's okay for me to lie to you because in the end I'll get what I want. Be careful for that today. With that today, it's on its way out, thank goodness, but just have your radar up in case somebody is trying to sell you something again that's too good to be true, or they're trying to get you to get into their story and buy their story by not telling you the truth. There are also those out there who are proposing and saying, I'm going to give you my heart and soul and all that other good stuff, and I would wait. I wouldn't jump on that. I would check to make sure that ring was real. Did I say that? Well, Mercury's retrograde until June 22nd, and there's a little bit of this deceptive energy left. So I don't know. I would check to see if that ring's real. What was the universe's advice for today, for Monday? What do they have to say today? I always forget to cut the cards. All right. Valiant courage. Oh, yes. I'm going to tell you what, working with Pluto and claiming our power, oh my goodness, that takes courage, doesn't it? To stand up for ourselves, to claim what's rightfully ours, to be able to embrace our authentic truth. It's a little scary, isn't it? It takes courage. We have it. We have the courage. Choosing our path. Well, this week we are choosing, a lot of us need to choose a new path. We're choosing whether to stay and stagnate in our current situation, our current relationship, our current job, or we can make a decision to claim our power, take our power back, and make sure that we care for self and that we make sure self gets the support, the nurturing that self needs in a personal relationship, in a job or career, it may cause us to have to change directions in order to take care of ourselves. Finally, wrong deck. Overcoming obstacles. Yes, and that's what this is all about. Obstacles are nothing more than opportunities for growth. Obstacles are nothing more than an opportunity for us to use our creative imagination and to use our co-creation, the power that we have to manifest what we want when we work with our higher selves. So, our higher selves by our side, we can get through any obstacle or challenge. They're just there to help us learn and grow, and we may need to be releasing this week during now and through October. We may need to release a relationship, a job, a situation that just isn't supporting and or nurturing us anymore. So that's what we're working on. Have a great Monday. Don't worry about all this heavy stuff today. Just enjoy the day, embracing the physical aspects, the earthiness of our life journey. Take care. Have a good one. Be kind. And remember, everyone, life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great Monday. I'll see you tomorrow. Namaste.